Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban Kyntiew Ïaki self-help group Hapoh Jylla, ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, Hagashitarik no pra archa arpusan kala Pynlong saya 6 Meghalaya Saras Aajeevika fair archa arpusan, kabala sedang menta kashitarik no pra archa arpusan, bat ya kebaan sepenkut no hakashpotarik no pra archa arpusan. Hagajing Pynlong ya kanika yo ya dia thiat ha State Central Library Shillong, kidon buon tali kikinhun self-help group no Hapoh Jylla, kibala peni ya kisap shna jingshna likikti, ban penyat yo hakaleng Jylla, bat don ru hadu kumba prapusan tali hidukan, bat kidon hadu nyo tali Jylla na syati lamingi kibesh benta hakanika yo. Hakanika sngi umentri rang ba Jylla ukan rat sangma udalong kumukongsan, bat uba asast na sotun umentri sorkar badipet ya ketanat CNRD, haringkat kejinan lang Chief Executive Officer ke Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, Urama Krishna Chituri IAS. Lapli kanika jingya dia thiat ukongsan, umentri rang ba Jylla ukan rat sangma, hakajinan lang uba asast na sotun, Menteri Ketanat CNRD kumusembut kongsan. Lapan sengaw ya ke state anthem, bat ke welcome song hakani ke sngi, da ke jingshim benta ki kinhun nong rwai ket starari kwaya nong ston, ke jingshim benta na ki dekhot ke SHG, la samru iki sernot bat ki momento shiki volunteer ka har ghar tiranga da ukongsan bat usembut kongsan.
So I request you to stay on stage. We also have the launch of 50 integrated farming cluster. Each, can you pass the remote back to? We have one more launch, sir. So we have another launch. Thank you very much. Thank you. I would request the Minister CNRD Department to
issues related to food, nutrition, health and sanitation for holistic development of self-help group members. This has ensured that more women, especially pregnant, lactating mothers and children between 0 to 6 years old have been provided access to nutrition support, health benefits and schemes relating to women and children. Msrls also facilitates support for livelihood activities by helping SHGs to prepare village poverty reduction plans, wherein demand for livelihood activities are made by SHG members. Msrls then acts as a catalyst to link the SHGs with other
Women Self-Help Group. And the Minister, Community.
52% of all reported crimes in the state during the same year were connected to violence against women and children. These figures highlight a stark truth. Gender-based discrimination, often manifesting as violence, remains a significant barrier to the well-being and progress of women, girls, and gender-diverse individuals. But amidst these challenges, a powerful movement for social change at the grassroots level is emerging. Jylla, meaning new awareness, is a nationwide campaign.
Kini sayo Srimati Christabel Kisangma. Next from
all the other officials of the CNRD department and of the Social Welfare Department, officials from Government of India, all my members of the different self-help groups, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, we today are gathered here to really in one way, celebrate a very, very quiet revolution that is taking place in our villages, which in a way is being powered by the rural women of our state. And for that, they are bringing and combining their hard work with a lot of aspects of our culture and tradition, and creating opportunities for themselves and for others by doing so. The self-help group movement, in one way, if you look at it, is maybe one of the most transformative community-driven programs that we have started in the state more than a decade back, but of course has picked up in an exponential manner in the last 7 years. I was listening very deeply to comments being made by officials who spoke before me. And as you can see by the different activities that we are doing, that this is far beyond just simply economic empowerment. I keep sharing with all of you and with the citizens of the state that Meghalaya has today embarked on a very different approach when it comes to governance. We don't look at schemes and programs anymore. That is not what drives us. What drives us is to see the smiles on our citizens' faces. What drives us is to see our farmers earn a bit more than they used to before. What drives us is to be able to see a mother, a daughter, a sister being able to make her own decisions as she pleases, by ensuring that she is economically empowered. What drives us is to see the youth of our state being able to choose their passion, being able to follow their dreams, not because that's the only thing that's available in front of them, and not because their parents want it, but because they want it. And the way for us to achieve these goals or these outcomes as officers, as politicians, as leaders, and when I say leaders, not just leaders at the government and state level, leaders at the grassroots level, is to always ensure that we are not driven by the programs and policies and schemes that have been shown to us. Because if we do that, I think we're missing the picture completely. The entire goal of the self-help group movement did not start with the target to have 55,000 groups. It did not start with the fact that We saw NRLM programs being not utilized properly. It did not start with the fact that we wanted to give 1,200 crores as financial disbursement to women's self-help groups. No, it did not start with that. The movement for self-help group involvement started with saving mothers' lives. That's what it started with. When we saw the maternal mortality and did everything possible to improve that, and not being able to achieve it, made us dig deeper into trying to find out where the problem lies, what is happening. And when we kept digging deeper and deeper into the problem, we realized that there are huge issues that are there in front of us. I always keep repeating, we always tend to look at a result and think that that is the problem. But when you dig deep and you look beyond it, you realize that the actual problems are something else, not the problem that we see in front of us. Those are just the results of the problems that are there in front of us. And when we started digging deeper into it, something really, I should say, magical started happening. We started to learn. Our thought process started becoming clearer. We started realizing this is far beyond medical attention. This is far beyond institutional deliveries. This goes into the nutrition that the mother has. It goes deeper into the spacing of the childbirth, which then deeper goes into the economic activity of the women, which goes deeper into the fact that they are not systematically organized, which goes deeper into the fact that they don't have the opportunities and there's no platform to support them and help them. And so on and so forth, things started happening. And hence I'm very happy today to see that today's program was not just about the economic agenda and the growth. We are here to change our governance from a scheme-based governance to a stakeholder-based governance. It does not matter if you cannot finish the money that has been budgeted to you. I don't think we should be driven by that thought process. But every life you save of a mother, that should be the benchmark thought process. But every life you save of a mother, that should be the benchmark to determine the success of the work that you are doing, not the schemes you're implementing. The lives that we have been able to save in the last 7 years, a lot of effort has gone into all of this. And let me share with you that the self-help group movement has a huge role to play. And therefore, I take this opportunity to thank and to congratulate all the officials of the Msrls. I say this every time, but I'm saying it again today. That I've seen the way the officials have dedicated themselves to the real cause. These kind of differences and changes don't happen because you follow the routine. It does not. These happen because you believe that you are here to make a difference, and you passionately work towards it, and you care for it, and work tirelessly. So only then that you get results like these.
Christmas. Great.
This will be from Assam. Okay.
So nice.
This one is Garbi Garo.
Oh, so nice. Thank you. That's okay.
Pengadai kasi nampak ya salang mo mix garde. Ya stay Nepali Garbi kasi Garo.
Good. Very good. So nice. Oh, so many states have come. Namaskar. Very nice. East Casio. Hi. Wow, so many products.
Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Good. So nice. How many members are there in the group?
We have so many.
Oh, okay. That's a different. It's a VO, right?
Life blog.
Okay, bro. Great.
There's so many energy now, so we're
Yeah, I know.
combining them in
No,
one
it's
straw.
good. Oh, Christmas decorations. Great. This is the perfect place to sell now. Nice. This will be open late night also. Right?
Yes,
In the evening also.
yes, sir.
Good. One photo?
Yes, sir. Any other post-ski, sir?
We'll click like this, I think. Selfie is good. 1, 2, 3. I don't like selfies too much because my face looks bigger than it is. You click from.
Cheese.
Thank you. Thank you. Good luck. Hi. From West Garo Hills. Oh, very nice. I am from that Maulai. Okay. Thank you, Father. Sudah? Tikrikila. Tadi muni. Denam tu. Tela ne? East Kyntiew Hills.
Pension dulu.
Give it